Hey guys, welcome back. So let's continue on this part. So we talked about how to use the layout structure with on Laravel Blade templating engine. So the first thing on creating a layout is you have to create a file, a layout template file. So most of the times it's found inside the layouts folder and the app.php file. So app.blade.php. So inside views, we're going to create a new folder called layouts. I'm sure it's layouts, right? Yes, layouts. So inside the layouts folder, we're going to create a file called app.blade.php, right? So this app.blade.php will have all the contents, will have this contents, right? So what is going to change here is this. So the whole of this thing is the layout. So what we basically want is when it loads this layout, it should replace a contents here, yield, right? And it should be called content. So this is where content is going to be displayed, right? Content is going to be displayed here. But for us to be able to achieve that, right? For us to be able to achieve that, we have to do um, we have to do what we call, you have to extend the layout in your welcome.blade.php. So we want to use this layout, and for us to use this layout, we have to say we have to extend the layout, right? We have to extend the layout. So we call this extend layout, right? This is inside. Remember, this is our actual view, welcome.blade.php. So we have extended the layouts inside layouts app, right? Now, we want to create a new section. Just don't bother about all this. We're going to come back to that. We want to create a new section called content, right? So if we create this new section called content and section, let's just copy. Maybe I'm too lazy to type. So this content, this section, right, it is going to replace, it's going to fall here. So this yield content matches this section content. So whatever we type here, we'll say we are in section. For example, if we save this and we try it on our browser, we refresh this, you see it says we are in section. So anything that I change here, maybe I put my h1, oh sorry, it's supposed to be h1, welcome to learn Laravel. Okay, so if we save this and we refresh, you see we have it here. So we want to ensure that when we click on contact us, this navigation bar, or it uses contact us, uses the same template, right? So basically what we just need to do is you come to contact us, yeah, contact. Rather than having all of this whole long lorem ipsum, we can copy this. We say extend layouts.app and then section content. So if we refresh this and we come to contact, you see home and contact, they have home and contact, they have the same structure, right? They have the same layout. So we can do this same thing for about, right? For about, we say b section extend. So this is welcome to about us, right? So if we refresh this, we click also on about us. So all of them are using the same they are using the same layouts. We have to do the same thing for my profile and students. I'll quickly do this. For details, student details, I'm going to cut this. And for profile, I'm going to cut this. And what have I not done? Okay. Oh, students. Yep, students. Okay, so basically, let's do update. There's setting home here. I don't want it to have home. So if we refresh this, we say contact us, about us, my profile, students. So we see that we have a template now. We just needed to write one template file, which is inside app.blade.php, and then we have a content, a yield, a directive called yield. This yield says anytime I'm being extended into a file and there's a section called contents, you should replace that data with this. So basically, if you are in about, what happens is this content gets to replace this. So this is what happens, right? This content gets to replace this. So if there's a section called contents and the section has data this, then it will replace all of this and you have just this, right? Hope this didn't really get somebody confused. It was a longer tutorial session. We're going to look at the next one. We're going to look at other directives for the Blade templating engine. Stay tuned.